Hi, this video is to show you how to suspend accruals on an employee's account. I've logged into the demo company as Kathy Watts, and I wanted to take you out to show you how to suspend um, accruals. Sometimes people are on a leave of absence or during a time when they may be furloughed, when they should not be accruing their vacation. So we're going to click on the hamburger, and under the team icon, we're going to go to accruals and then to the balances. This is a really easy way to be able to pull up any one employee and see all of their information at once and to be able to make changes here. So I'm going to work with Mitch Connor. So what I want to do on Mitch is I'm going to go to his edit option using the pencil, and he is currently accrued through 2/1/2021. And to suspend those accruals, to keep them from happening again, I'm just going to give it a new accrued to date and update that. So I'm going to say he's suspended through 12/31/2021, and I'm going to put that on all of his accrual plans. And the note that I'm going to give it is just that I want to suspend the account. I'm going to copy that and put that in the other lines. And when I save that, now when you run accruals, it will run for everyone but Mitch. And so his accrued to date, you can see, is further out than other people's. So it will stop accruing. Now when Mitch comes back, all we have to do is go back into that pencil and change this back to the desired date when we want his return or his accruals to come back online. So if that were the case, we would say, I keep putting the wrong date in there, but we would say 2/1/2021, he has returned to service, and put that on all of those lines and save it. And now as I begin running accruals again, then his accruals will run with everyone else's. All right, it's as easy as that.